When it comes to practicing self-catheterization, designed to support you and your lifestyle needs, say hello to LoFric Elle, a single-use urinary catheter ready to use, designed together with women practicing self-catheterization and healthcare professionals. Here's a step-by-step on how to use it. Start by washing your hands thoroughly. You can also use hand sanitizer or wet wipes if you don't have access to running water. Next, break the upper sterile barrier lid. By holding the lower container and unscrewing the upper part, you break the lower sterile barrier. Now you're ready to pull out the catheter. Make sure to empty the remaining fluid from the container before attaching it to the catheter, creating an ergonomic handle and a new hygienic way for insertion. Tilt your pelvis forward, spread the labia, gently pull upwards. The urethra is located just above the vaginal opening. With the other hand, insert the catheter slowly into your urethral opening until urine starts to flow. Insert slightly more to ensure both eyelets are inside the bladder. When the urine flow slows to a drip, withdraw the catheter slowly. If urine starts to flow again, stop the withdrawal process and wait until the urine flow stops to ensure complete bladder emptying. LoFric Elle is coated with the unique urotonic surface technology for smooth catheterization during the entire process. Once you're finished, put the used catheter back into the lower resealable container, slim and discreet. You can carry it in your bag until you're ready to dispose of it. Remember that LoFric Elle is a urinary catheter designed to be used one time only. LoFric Elle, your versatile single-use urinary catheter, ready for you, whatever your lifestyle needs.